What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to remove the upper grille on a 2015 Honda Fit. In my previous video I showed you how to remove the front bumper. So today we have a rather simple process where we just have to pop out a couple tabs to remove the upper grille. With the bumper flipped over, there are 9 tabs that we're going to have to pop out to remove the upper grille. Lift the black plastic up and away, and then lift up, and then continue down the line. Once you get the first 2 off, the rest become easier. Mine are in pretty good shape. I only see one that's broken. Can I reach? There we go. With all the tabs popped out, you should be able to pop it right off. That's how you remove the upper grille on 2015 Honda Fit. Maybe in the future I'll get the JDM one, not the Mugen one, but the carbon fiber or mock carbon fiber where it's pretty much one vent or 2 separate vents. To install it, we're just going to pop it back into place, line it up with the tabs. Pushing into the white plastic. There you go. And that's how you remove the upper grille on a 2015 Honda Fit. Thank you for watching.